Next is inferential statistics. Inferential statistics can be defined as field of statistics that uses analytical tools for drawing conclusion about what? About a population by examining random samples. The goal of inferential statistics is to make generalization about population. In inferential statistics, the statistic is taken from the sample data. Example, the sample mean that used to make inferences about the population parameters. In this statistic is a branch of statistics that makes a use of various analytical tools to draw inferences about the population data from sample data. Apart from inferential statistics, descriptive statistic forms another branch of statistics. Inferential statistics helps to draw conclusion about the population, while descriptive statistics summarizes the feature of the data set. Inferential statistics helps to develop a good understanding of the population data by analyzing the samples obtained from it. It also helps in making generalizations about the population by using various analytical tools and tests. In order to pick out random samples, it will represent the population accurately. Mainly sampling techniques are used. They have also understood some sampling techniques in our PPTs previously. Those sampling techniques are important methods, which is called as simple random sampling, stratified sampling, cluster sampling, and systematic sampling techniques. Inferential statistics have two main uses: testing hypothesis and parametric and non-parametric test.